Hey there, book lovers! Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Atomic Habits by James Clear. This book is a game changer when it comes to shaping your daily routines and achieving your goals. If you're looking to transform your life one small step at a time, you're in the right place. Let's get into it. James Clear's Atomic Habits isn't just a book, it's a blueprint for making remarkable changes through tiny, consistent actions. Clear introduces the 4 laws of behavior change, a simple set of rules that guide us in forming good habits and breaking the bad ones. First step, the power of small habits. Clear emphasizes that it's not the big leaps, but the small, 1% improvements we make daily that lead to significant transformations. Imagine getting 1% better every day. By the end of the year, you're 37 times better. Next, Clear shifts our focus from goals to systems. It's not the goals that fail us, but the systems we put in place. By refining our systems, we can make lasting changes. And finally, identity-based habits. Our habits reflect our identity, and to change our habits, we must first change our perception of who we are. Start small, build up evidence of your new identity with tiny wins, and watch as your habits fall into place. Visuals of people implementing small habits in daily life host. So, what's the takeaway from Atomic Habits? It's that change doesn't have to be drastic or immediate. It's the small, consistent actions, compounded over time, that lead to extraordinary results. Start small, think big, and build the habits that will shape your future. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to build life-changing habits, grab a copy of Atomic Habits and join me on this journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more book insights. Until next time, keep making those 1% improvements and transform your life one habit at a time. End with a call to action for viewers to comment their thoughts and experiences with building habits.